Subscribe my channel right now and also press the bell icon button for the latest notifications. Great morning to all my dear students of 12th class. My name is Rajneesh and I also welcome to those students who are watching my video right now from the other side. Dear students, the next paragraph of Indigo is going to start today. Here we go. Presently, the landlords learned that Germany had developed synthetic indigo. In that time, the people of the Champaran or those peasants came to know that Germany has invented the synthetic indigo. Synthetic indigo means the indigo which was made by some chemicals. It was the artificial indigo because the farmer and the peasants of the India was growing the plant of the indigo to produce blue color or to make indigo properly. But Germany, they were going for the synthetic indigo. They were having some scientific solutions for this thing. So that's why the people of the India or the farmers, they came to know that Germany is going to produce the synthetic indigo which was made by chemical. It was because of the science. They thereupon obtained agreements from the sharecroppers to pay them compensation for being released from the 15% arrangement. And what they did, the Britishers, they said to the Indian peoples, if now you want to release from this agreement or the contract that going to um you were going to pay for the 15%, you were going to grow the crops in your field for of the third fourth part of your field or the 15% part of your field. If you want to release from there, you will have to pay for us for 15% of the arrangement. And this is the compensation, and we will make you free. Britisher said to the Indian peasants, we will make you free, but you have to pay for it. And the sharecroppers arrangements was exum. Exum means irritate, modest. Irksome of the peasants, and the peasants of that time, they from the Indian uh, country, those peasants were not so happy. They were irritated, they were frustrated, they were having so problems, and at the any cost they wanted to have some solutions, and it was looking so good when they came to know that the Britishers are going to say that you want if you want to make if you want to be free from this contract, then you will have to pay some money for us and we will make you free. Because Germany was going to make the synthetic indigo in their country, so that's why there was no need to grow more indigo from the Indian country. That's why those Britishers was also taking the advantage of that thing, and many signed willingly. Many peasants were there who have signed the contract willingly according to their own choice, because they were so much frustrated, they were so much irritated, and they wanted to be make ourselves free. They wanted to be free from those contract of the Britishers. So willingly they have signed that contract and were ready to pay some money to Britishers to make us free. Those who resisted engaged lawyers, and some of the peasants from that area, they have hired some lawyers because it was illegal that because of your contract we were going to grow the indigo plant in our fields, and now you are saying you will have to pay some money also to make us free. So it was illegal. So some peasants have hired also some lawyers and the case into the court. The landlords hired thugs, and some landlord they hired thugs, means gunde mawali. They have hired them to make us free. Meanwhile, the information about synthetic indigo reached the illiterate peasants who had signed, and they wanted their money back. And they wanted their money back, who? The Indian illiterate peasants, because they knew that the Germany is going to produce the synthetic indigo in their country, and because of that Britishers are not ready and interested to have our indigo. Even they were not also going to pay a single amount of the money to the Indian peasants and Indian farmers. It was the worst situation of the Indian farmers, I would say, because they were growing that plant and they were not having any amount of the money, and they will have to pay for it also to make us free. So it was illegal, it was totally illegal, and the peasants of the India, when they came to know that it is going on with us, so definitely they were they could have been frustrated. And it was the time when Gandhiji met those farmers, when Gandhiji came to Champaran. So this is the story. Dear students, this it was the explanation of the day. Now we will meet tomorrow. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.